Okay, sunny day in Melbourne. We woke up late. We're heading to Wilson's prom, and it's very hot. I think I forgot something. All packed up, ready to go. Quite a lot of packing up here. It's so hot. How hot is it? Is it today? So it's 27 degrees in Melbourne today, and it's scorching hot. Road trip!
Oh!
Road trip! Yeah!
But you don't go that close.
Sorry. No, no.
Butter almond cookies. You think?
Just got myself a bodyboard for the sand dunes. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll see how it goes. Yep. And she left me out here. traveling on sunny days, you can see a lot of flies everywhere. Fuck shit. Look at the sandbar over there, man. It's not so glare. There you go. Look at the sandbar over there. Which that one. That one. So this place here used to be open. Now it's bushy. But yeah, I've been here before. I just forgot about it. So yeah, here we go. Just finished the tent, set it up. I'll be out on a walk right now. Didn't have my Garmin with me. I'll just leave my Phoenix with me. No, Phoenix. I'll just leave my Phoenix there. I'll start trekking all the way here. So these are the accommodations here in Olson's Palm. And yeah, I'm trekking alone because Laura's not feeling well. Wanna give you a tour. And by the way, Guns N' Roses, February 14. So today's Friday. Just had my RDO today, so I decided to come to Wilson's Prom and camp out. Fortunately, I woke up late. Woke up at around 12, and yeah, arrived at around 7, nearly 8. So heading towards this footbridge here. One of the things I like about Australia is the lighting. They have such good lighting here. Look at that place, looks good. I brought my camera with me, and I bought another DSLR for shooting. So it's 2 ways for me. Okay. Whoa. Check that out. Love walking around this area here. See tall grass, see the walkway. It's really good. It's relaxing. I can do this all day. Well, except I'm hungry. And that's a nice spot. Freaking shit is off. So there's a nice chair up here where you can rest. Oh, I love this place. I'll show you how it looks. So in the Philippines, when we go hiking, when we go trekking, we have big bags, we have tents, we have food for all week. Well, they do it here also, but you would need permits. Oh, not like we don't need permits at home, but in here, there are snakes, you might get lost, accidents, and this is a nice spot. I gotta stop myself. Look. That's good. Love the bridge. Sunsets here are awesome. This place is awesome. Oh, by the way, that one over there, it's Mount Auberon. I've been there. It's a nice view. Sunsets on the other side, and the low-flying bird.